Hi, everybody.
I love VPN. What's going on in here?
You know I still have a lot of 13-year-old boy in me, right? So I immediately want to go over and bang on these drums.
Why don't you tell the Chancellor what he will be doing this morning?
You are going to be playing the chimes.
Playing the chimes.
Yeah, the keyboard for the
You
chimes.
trust me to play the chimes?
There is a Chimesmaster up there
Okay.
to assist. All right.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the Setnor School of Music.
Wow. Oh, there's more stairs?
Good morning.
Well, hello. I feel like I'm going to a secret clubhouse.
Maybe. Nice
I'm
to
like,
meet you. I hear I have to teach you the alma mater.
oh, you do?
I think that's what I
Well,
was
that
told.
might take 15 minutes or more.
We have some C's in here that is will work perfectly.
Okay.
Cool.
I love that he clearly doesn't trust me not to screw this up. And I don't blame you at all.
I'm gonna be as exact as possible.
I like the precision. Okay.
Do you want to get on the C's and
Okay.
I'll give you some key? I'll key you into when.
You just
here
tell
we
me
go.
when.
Yep, I will tell you when.
And now.
Look at him. Sorry, I got it.
He doesn't trust me. Now. Now.
Here it comes. Ready? And there we go.
Yeah, take over. Take over. I'm screwing this up.
Ready? And well done.
That was great, man.
Thank you.
That was great. That was great.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, absolutely. That was awesome.
While you're up here, I was handing Sharpies. I think you're encouraged to sign your name on the walls.
Very cool.
Sure.
Yeah, like that Maxwell next door looks so small.